My name is Brad and I'm from Kentucky. I'm 37 and I'm a chiropractor. So the symptoms that I was experiencing was joint pain all over the body, in the hands, the wrists, the elbows, the feet, even affected my knee. And so I was struggling even trying to work because just trying to work with patients in pain just was very hard. I wasn't able to like play with my kids. I was in bed all the time just from pain. And so I have 3 kids, and just not being able to be able to do anything with them it was very hard. I also had considerable amounts of stiffness and just wasn't able to get up and get out of bed and just go do things in the morning because everything was swollen and in pain. I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, so I tried different medications and different biologics, and just we didn't get the effect that we were looking for, and nor what my rheumatologist was looking for. How I heard about the stem cell clinic was my dad came down for a torn rotator cuff tear. He was recommended surgery for the rotator cuff and wanted an alternative. So my dad came to the stem cell clinic and had amazing improvement with his rotator cuff tear, and was able to go back to doing the things that he wasn't able to with working out and without pain. And while he was down here, he met somebody that had rheumatoid arthritis, and so he recommended I come. After treatment, I've noticed that I sleep better, more energy, brain fog is not as bad. Obviously pain is way better as well. These improvements have really affected my quality of life because I'm able to go back to doing things. I'm back to riding horses again, being able to do things with my kids, and just in general able to enjoy life more. So my experience here at the clinic has been awesome. Everything from how they handle the booking to the hotel that we stayed at, and even Castle Viejo and Old Panama, and getting to just to experience the city. The doctors, they've been excellent. They answer every question that you have in detail, and make sure that they really convey and get you knowledge. The reason why I decided to share my story is because stories matter, people matter, and if there's somebody out there that's suffering with something that I experienced, and I want them to know that there's answers and that there's places that they can go. So the advice that I would give anybody that has rheumatoid arthritis is definitely give stem cells a chance. It would be amazing.